Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M04 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of M04, and then select Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll all the way down to click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Samsung. Finally, you can tap on all of those categories at the top, and in them click on all of those type of dots to choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected. Select Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, just click on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. Then hit Receive, wait couple of seconds. So sorry, a typo. Wait couple of seconds, and as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!